Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Erica guys. So this morning I'm making myself some breakfast. So I'm making some sardine like I already put in the bowl. So I'm going to take out the mid bone because I don't like the bone in the sardine. So all the stuff that is in the sardine that I don't like, I'm taking them out. The vein, I don't like the vein in my sardine. So I'm taking that out. I'm taking out the bone that comes in the back of the fish. I'm taking out that bone and the vein. Yes guys, sorry if you hear driving in the background guys. I live close to the street. I'm having sardine for breakfast. So I'm taking out the bones, the vein, all the stuff that left in the sardine that I don't eat, because I always keep them out. All the bone. So I'm using brand sardine. You could use whatever sardine you want. I'm having a tin, one can of sardine. It has like 6 pieces. Here we go guys. This is the sardine. And I'm gonna put some tomato. These are tomato I grow this year. So this year I plant my tomatoes. So I'm eating the tomatoes. So tomato, onion. Make some onion in there. Onion curry. Black pepper. I changed my mind about the black pepper guys, so I'm gonna put some Goya salad and vegetable seasoning, just a little bit, and I'm gonna put some jerk seasoning, so guys be careful with the jerk seasoning because it's very hot and it's like spicy stuff. And some garlic powder, guys. That's it. Then I'm gonna stir everything together. So guys, you could have this for lunch or you could have it for breakfast, whichever you choose. You can also have it for dinner. So I'm gonna have this for breakfast. I'm gonna have it with some pita bread. Yes guys, so that's breakfast. And I'm gonna have a cup of tea. So I'm going to have a cup of tea with that. So this is breakfast and lunch together, guys. Thank you so much, guys, for watching my channel. Please subscribe and share. So this is my pita bread with sardine and tomato and onion for breakfast, guys. Simple breakfast. Very simple. Okay, guys, thank you so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, leave a comment. Please help me grow my channel. Alright, guys, thank you so much again for watching. Bye.